be day 29. Make sure you got day 29, lesson 68 for your math, all right? We're going to start off today with some bug problems. And remember how we were doing finding fact families, math problems from a fact family? That's what we're going to do today. So let's look at our bug for part 5A. Now look, where's our bug sitting? He's sitting on the 9. So let's put a 9. What direction is he hopping? He's hopping that direction. He's getting more, isn't he? So he's adding. So let's put a plus. Now, let's look. How many times did he hop? Count. 1, 2. He hopped 2 times, didn't he? Put your equal sign. Now, where did he land? On the 11. So, 9 plus 2 equals 11. Well, now our bug is sitting on that 11. So now he's going to hop, look at our arrow. Now he's going to hop back the other way. So he's sitting on the 11. Put 11. So if he's hopping back this way, is he adding or is he subtraction? Taking away, minus. Minus, isn't it? Now how many times did he hop? 2. Now, he landed back where he started. Where's that? On the 9. Now look, those 2 problems are from the same fact family. Look, 9's, 2, 11. All right? One's a plus problem, one's a minus problem. All right? Just like in reflex, okay? All right, let's try this one. Ready? Where's our bug sitting? On the 6. He's hopping that way. That's plus, isn't it? Make sure you got a plus. Whoop, my plus was rough. All right, now how many hops did our bug make? 1. Where did he land? On the 7. All right, now our bug is sitting here on the 7, isn't he? He's going to hop back the other way. So he starts at 7. Now he's not plusing this time. He's going backwards, minus. How many times did he hop? 1 time. And he landed back where he started. Where did he start? On the 6. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Look, fact family. 6, 1, 7. They're in the same family, okay? Because they use the same numbers. All right, let's move down and do the next one. All right, let's do C. Can you move it up for me, please? Sorry. You're fine. All right, one more of these. All right, where's our bug sitting? He's sitting on the 4, isn't he? He's hopping that way. So he's getting more, plus. How many times did he hop? Look, 1 hop, 2 hops. 2 times. Now where did our bug land? He landed on the 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now where is our bug sitting? He's sitting on the 6, isn't he? Now he's going to hop back this way. What direction is that? Minus. How many times did he hop backwards? 2 times. And he landed where he started. Where did he start? On the 4. So 6 subtract 2, or 6 minus 2 equals 4. Do you see how these 2 problems are in the same fact family? Okay? All right. I hope you've got those 3 done. Now, you've got some plus problems and some minus problems to do, okay? Like, you can stop the video now, or you can just hang tight and do those at the end, okay? It's up to you. When you're ready, flip your paper over. Okay, now we're working on telling time, okay? When the long minute hand is pointing to the top, it's o'clock. It says o'clock. But let's read what the little hand's pointing to. What is the little hand pointing to? 1. 1 o'clock. Let's think. 1 o'clock in the morning, you're still asleep. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, if you were at school, you'd be in my room. We would have left Miss Lawson's room, and you would be in my room. Okay? Now let's look at this one. Look at the shorthand. It's what o'clock. Look at that shorthand. You write it. Did you get 2? 2 o'clock. All right? 2 o'clock in the morning, you're still asleep. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you're going to specials. Okay? All right. What o'clock? What's the little hand pointing to? 3. 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock in the morning, you're still asleep. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you're getting ready to go home. You just got back from specials, you're getting ready to go home. Okay? All right, come down here. What o'clock? What's the shorthand pointing to? The 4. 4 o'clock in the morning, you're still asleep, I hope. And 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I'd say you're probably still on the bus. Probably still on the bus or getting almost home. Okay? All right, fill the next one in. What's the shorthand pointing to? 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock in the morning, you're probably still asleep. And 5 o'clock in the afternoon, you're probably maybe doing homework or getting ready to eat dinner or maybe playing outside or maybe watching a little bit of TV or playing, doing something, okay? All right, what's the shorthand pointing to? 6. All right, 6 o'clock in the morning, you're probably getting ready to get up. And 6 o'clock in the evening, probably dinner time or maybe playing or finishing up homework, something to that effect, something doing that. All right, I've got to erase, so let's move on down. All right, right here. What is it? What's the shorthand pointing to? 7. 7 o'clock in the morning, you might be eating breakfast or getting ready to get on the bus, or you might already be on the bus. And 7 o'clock at night, you might be maybe watching a little bit of TV, finishing homework, taking a bath, getting ready to go to bed. All right, what's the shorthand pointing to? 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock in the morning, we're starting school. You are walking in for breakfast and we're doing morning work, okay? Some of you are coming over to my room. And 8 o'clock at night, you're probably getting ready to go to bed. Taking a bath, getting ready to go to bed. All right, what's the shorthand pointing to? 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock in the morning, you guys are in my room with me. We're doing math. 9 o'clock at night, you're probably in bed or getting ready to go to bed. Okay? Over here, what's your shorthand pointing to? 10 o'clock. Yep. All right. 10 o'clock in the morning, we've come back to my room for reading groups. 10 o'clock at night, you're probably in bed. I hope so. All right. Look at your shorthand. What hour is it? 11 o'clock. All right. 11 o'clock in the morning, we're going to lunch here at school. 11 o'clock at night, you're in bed, asleep. I hope you are. Okay? All right, ooh, tricky one. Look at that shorthand. What number is it pointing to? It's pointing to the 12, so it's 12 o'clock. All right? Here at school, 12 o'clock noon, we're in Miss Lawson's room for reading class. 12 o'clock at night, midnight, hopefully you're in bed asleep. Okay? All right, guys. If you haven't done that addition and subtraction on the first page, make sure you go back and do that. Let's look at your social studies for today, all right? So TLD day 29. 29. So it says, go back and watch one of the brain pop videos. So any of those three on 26, 27, or 28, go back and watch one of those and maybe talk about it a little bit, okay? Or go back and read the goods and services article again and complete the questions on the attached sheet. So there's more questions, okay? So either one is fine, whichever one you want to do, all right? Make sure you go back and do that addition and subtraction. Once you're finished with that, you're finished with your math for the day. All right, guys, take care. Bye.